So if you're wanting to download a YouTube video but you cannot find the download button, normally in this case you'll see your downloads folder right there, but finding the button could prove difficult. So what you will actually have to do is just click on a video. I'll just pause that, and you can see here for me there's no actual download button here appearing below the video. So all you have to do to get the download button to appear is click onto these three horizontal dots right there, and there you'll see the download with the thanks and the report button. So then you can click on download, just wait a few moments for that to go ahead and download, and once that's complete you can go back to your home page, and then you'll be able to click on the downloads from the drop down. And I don't have any downloads here, but you'll see the video pop up here, and it's as simple as that. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.